Sis. The United Kingdom is a land where ancient castles meet modern cities, and every corner tells a story. 4 nations, England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, each offer their own traditions, landscapes and character. From the bustling streets of London to the tranquil hills of the countryside, the UK is a place of endless variety. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover or city explorer, there's something here for everyone. Pack your curiosity and get ready for an unforgettable journey. The adventure begins the moment you arrive. Before you set off, here are the essentials. The UK is made up of 4 countries, all using the pound sterling. Bring both cash and cards. Check if you need an electronic travel authorization before arrival. It's a quick online process. The weather is famously unpredictable, so pack layers, a waterproof jacket and sturdy shoes. The best time to visit is May to September, but spring and autumn offer fewer crowds and beautiful scenery. Getting around is easy. Trains connect cities and towns, while renting a car is best for rural adventures. Remember, drive on the left, bring a Type G plug adapter, and consider a local SIM card for affordable data. With these basics sorted, you're ready for your UK adventure. London is a city of icons and hidden gems. See Big Ben, Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London, then dive into world-class museums. Many are free. Explore neighbourhoods like Notting Hill's pastel streets or Shoreditch's edgy art scene. Relax in Hyde Park or Regent's Park and catch a show in the West End. Ride a red double-decker bus or take a boat on the Thames for unique city views. Don't miss a classic pub for fish and chips or wander Covent Garden's lively markets. London rewards curiosity. There's a discovery around every corner. Let the city's energy draw you in. London is the perfect base for day trips. Visit Windsor Castle for royal history or Oxford for its storied colleges and riverside punting. Marvel at Stonehenge's ancient stones, then explore Bath's Roman baths and Georgian elegance. For countryside charm, head to the Cotswolds. Rolling hills, honeystone villages and cosy pubs await. Each destination is easily reached by train or car, offering a new side of England in just a day. Whether you crave history, architecture or rural beauty, Southern England delivers. Take time to wander and you'll find postcard-perfect moments everywhere. The best of England is just beyond the city. Beyond England, the UK's other nations offer their own magic. Wales is a land of castles and wild coastlines. Explore Snowdonia's peaks or stroll the Pembrokeshire coast path. Scotland dazzles with Edinburgh's historic streets and the Highlands' dramatic landscapes. Don't miss a whisky tour or a drive along Loch Ness. Northern Ireland blends vibrant Belfast with natural wonders like the Giant's Causeway and the stunning Causeway coastal route. Each nation has its own culture, history and scenery. Sample haggis in Scotland, walk castle walls in Wales or cross the Carrick-a-Reed rope bridge in Northern Ireland. The UK's diversity is its greatest strength. Venture beyond the familiar and you'll discover a tapestry of stories and landscapes. To truly know the UK, explore all its corners. British food is a delightful surprise. Enjoy classics like a Sunday roast, fish and chips by the sea, or a hearty, full English breakfast. The UK's cities are culinary melting pots. Try curries in Birmingham, street food in London, or regional specialties like Cornish pasties and Scottish haggis. Visit Borough Market for a taste of local and global flavours. Don't miss afternoon tea for a touch of elegance, or sample craft beers in a cosy pub. Each region offers its own treats, from Welsh rarebit to Yorkshire cheese. Eating here is as much an adventure as sightseeing. The UK suits every budget, from hostels and street food to boutique hotels and fine dining. Book transport and accommodation early for the best deals. Capture memories, shoot photos during golden hour and look for the small details that tell a story. For hidden gems, explore the Northumberland coast, the Jurassic coast or the Orkney Islands. The UK rewards curiosity. Talk to locals, take the scenic route and embrace the unexpected. Whether you have a week or a month, come with an open mind and a sense of adventure. You'll leave with unforgettable stories and a heart full of memories. The UK is waiting for you. Start your journey today.